You always have your phone with you. No matter where you are going or what you are doing, it is always there for you. You always want to be sure to not miss any of your notifications that come from your social media. Aren't you tired of that? Now is the time to use your mobile phone or laptop to make up to $300 per day just by watching YouTube videos, which isn't that boring, right? I don't know a person who doesn't want to get paid for doing this. Look at the list of people that just withdraw their earnings from watching YouTube videos. The list is huge. People are getting paid literally every day by doing something they like. This method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You can make money every day with this method. This is something that requires no skill or any special talent. You can do this beside your regular 9-to-5 job that you work every day. This can be your side hustle to make some pocket money, or you can take this seriously and turn your life around with this method that I will show you in today's video. But before we start with this new and fresh way to make money online, welcome to our channel, where we will teach you the best and the most profitable ways to make money online and give you tips and advice every time. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to leave the like on the video and press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our newest ways to make money every day from the comfort of your own home. And if you have any suggestions, questions, or anything to say about this video or this channel, please leave a comment down below and I will make sure to help and to answer to all of you. Now, this method is not so simple. It's a little bit different in the beginning to set all the things to work properly. So, I highly recommend you to watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, you will probably miss a huge opportunity to make your life a lot easier and better. Now, let me show you this unique method. The first thing you will need to do is to go to youtube.com. As I said, you will be paid to watch videos on YouTube. But before you just enter the video and watch it, you need to sign in on youtube.com if you already don't have an account. To sign into YouTube, you need to go to the top right corner of the page and click on the button that says Sign In. You will then be redirected to enter your Google email and password. If you don't have a Google account, go to this button that says Create Account and click on it. On the following page, you need to fill in the information that Google requests from you. In these two boxes, enter your first and last name. Under that, create your unique email address. Under that, you need to create your password and to confirm it in the second box. After you've finished with that, click on the blue button that says Next. Then you will be able to log into youtube.com with your new Google account. After you log in, you need to get to the homepage on youtube.com. Once you come to the homepage, you will see the Explore button on the left menu. You need to click on it. In this section, you can search through different types of videos. Here you need to click on the gaming section. This will show you the videos of gaming. Those videos have millions and millions of views, and they perform well. The next step is that you need to choose one of these games that are offered on this page. It doesn't matter which game you choose, it just must be really popular and has a huge fan base, which the majority of these games have. When you choose any game, you will be able to find specific videos of people that are playing that game. They are almost always receiving a lot of views, and they are increasing their popularity, which is great for us. Now, we need some tool that we will be using to encache these videos, and take a small piece of cake from all of them. That tool for us will be the second website that we will be using in this video. That website is called 7r6.com. This is a place where you can earn money simply by shortening the URLs of specific sites from the internet. In our method, that will be YouTube videos. Pay special attention now, and please make sure to watch the video until the end, because I will show you how you can automate the whole process and get thousands of clicks on your video without doing any work. Now, when we scroll down, you can see that the first thing that is required for you is to create an account, after which you will be able to shorten any URL from the internet and get paid for the visits that shortened URL receives. If you wonder why they will pay you for shortened links, well, when someone clicks on your generated shortened URL, he will firstly be redirected to an external page where he will see an advertisement and he will need to skip it to enter the video. Those advertisers are paying money to this website to show their ads when someone clicks on their shortened URL. And that is where you get paid. This site will give you some percentage of the money that they earn from advertisers. And that is a win-win-win situation for everybody. You earn money, this website earns money, and the advertiser is promoting himself. Okay, before we continue with this method, I will give you some time to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and turn the notification bell on if you have liked the video so far. And if you have anything to say, please tell us in the comment section. Now let's get back to work and earn some money. Now, before you can get paid on this website, you need to create an absolute free account on this website. So, go to the top right corner of the page and click the sign up button. It will take you to this screen, where you need to enter your username here, your email address here, and password with its confirmation below. After you've filled out all the information, you need to click on this little box, and then click the register button. When you enter your account on the dashboard, you will be able to see some statistics of your shortened links, such as total views they got, total earnings, referral earning, and average CPM that your links are getting. To shorten the link, you need to simply click on this button that says New Shorten Link. Now, paste the link of your video into this box, and you will get your shortened link. When you have earned enough money for you, you will always be able to withdraw that money by clicking this button on the left-hand side that says Withdraw. Now, when you know how it all works, you can start making shortened links on the website by copying links from the YouTube gaming videos that we have seen before. One simple hack for making more money is to focus on live videos from YouTube and shorten them, because they often get more clicked. You can click here on the live button, and you will see hundreds of videos that are live right now. The next step is to open one of those live videos. I will choose this one for example. And to copy the URL of the video, just click on the share button right below the video, and then copy the link. After that, we can return to the previous website and paste the link here in this box. After that, you need to click on Shorten to finish the process. As you make more shortened links, you will be able to earn more money. When you have generated some shortened links, it's time to get traffic to them. It is the only thing that is missing now. But don't worry, I will show you two huge traffic sources where you will be able to get millions of clicks on the links. The first traffic source is steamcommunity.com. This is a huge gaming forum where millions of people are talking about games every moment. The first thing to do on this website is to create an account, and after that just make an engaging post with your shortened links in it. You will get millions of clicks on your links. The second website is moot.us. A little bit less popular than steamcommunity.com. But you can copy the posts that you post on the first website and paste them here to get even more traffic to your links. After you do that, you can just lay on your bed and wait for